Tỉnh chi vậy bò, tỉnh chi bò, chắc đại lộ à, bạn như thun chắc đại lộ à, tỉnh chi vậy bò, tỉnh chi vậy bò, bạn như thun chắc đại lộ bò, không bán không đại, à giờ đi tỉnh chi à.
Imagine waking up to 3/4 of your annual rainfall hitting in just 5 hours. Roads disappearing, villages swept away, lives turned upside down. That's what happened recently in Shandong, China. Today we're unpacking the geography, human choices, and bold solutions behind its recurring flood crisis. And how the future may just lie in cities built to absorb water. Shandong lies on China's eastern coast, a powerhouse of agriculture and industry. But its geography, coastal plains, hills, and winding rivers like the Yellow River, makes it a flood-prone region. Every summer, monsoon winds unleash intense rainfall. Low-lying river and coastal zones act like bowls. Too much rain, too fast, flooding drains and overwhelming infrastructure. When typhoons push storm surges ashore, coastal cities face a double threat. Human choices amplify nature's fury. Rapid urban expansion in cities like Jinan and Qingdao has replaced sinking soil with impervious concrete. Rain can't soak in, old drainage systems can't keep up. Wetlands, nature's sponges, have been drained. In rural areas, deforestation accelerates runoff. Rivers clog with sediment, carry less water, and overflow more easily. When floods strike Shandong, the consequences ripple across city and countryside. In July 2025, Jinan saw a catastrophic deluge, 364 millimeters of rain in 5 hours, half the average annual total. Flash floods washed away houses in mountain villages, 2 lives lost, 10 people swept upstream and still missing. Roads, utilities, and safety shattered in an instant. In urban zones, floods shut roads, stall transit, knock out power, and cut communication. In farm country, entire harvests wash away, livestock perish, and families lose their livelihoods overnight. Roads get wiped out, delaying aid. And as contaminated water spreads, disease risk spikes. Especially for children and the elderly. Shandong's response evolves, but challenges persist. Authorities now issue weather alerts, evacuate high-risk zones, and set up temporary shelters in schools and civic buildings. Emergency services race in, but prevention is key. Many cities are updating stormwater systems and reinforcing embankments. They're exploring sponge city concepts, integrating green roofs, permeable pavements, rain gardens, and retention basins to slow, absorb, and reuse rainwater. The Sponge City idea was born in China around 2013 and formally adopted nationwide in 2014. It draws on both ancient wisdom and modern science cities designed to behave like sponges, absorbing, storing, and slowly releasing rainwater while filtering it and improving urban ecosystems. Pilot projects started in 16 cities in 2015, expanding to dozens by 2020 and beyond, aiming for 80% of urban areas to retain 70% of rainfall by 2030. These green solutions complement, not replace, drainage infrastructure. Real-world rollout is uneven. Some cities see measurable gains in flood control and water quality. Others still suffer serious waterlogging after storms. Experts now say sponge planning must be systemic, coordinated, and scale-aware, spanning gray and green infrastructure, watershed-to-coast management, and cross-sector collaboration. Public engagement matters too.
家那个是老人了的，起床都马不吭气哦，起床都马不吭气的。
Communities help predict where water flows during storms, support evacuation, and share ground-level data. Sensors and apps send alerts, volunteers distribute aid, but gaps remain, particularly in smaller towns and remote areas, where infrastructure and coordination lag. Floods in Shandong are not random. They arise from powerful monsoons, layered geography, even climate trends, and compounded by how cities grow. But by blending cutting-edge engineering with nature-based design and community action, the province is charting a more resilient future. If you found this breakdown compelling, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell, because together we'll keep tracking nature's challenges and humanity's responses. What do you think? Should every city become a sponge? Let me know below. Stay curious, stay
这边都到哪儿了？能开动了吗？
完了，
完了。